Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got an engine for the Silverado, as y'all can tell from the thumbnail, and we're gonna be tearing it apart. And I'm telling you, this motor is mint because I've already looked at it. I just looked at a couple things, but this motor is completely mint. It's a Gen 4 6.0 with LS3 heads on it, right there, and it's bone stock. It came out of a work truck that looked like this, and yeah, me and my buddy took it out, and I'm ready to tear this thing apart. There you go. There's the proof. You can kind of tell right here, but we'll definitely be painting the engine and making it look really nice before we throw it in. Gonna get a cam for it. I'm gonna probably get some better pistons, and then I'm not doing anything else to the motor. I'll probably get some better springs. I'll keep the heads because they're LS3 heads, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with these or this intake, because I found out that this intake is way bigger than that intake. I know they're completely different. This is, I forgot what it's called, cathedral port or whatever, and this is like the square port. So yeah, but this intake is a lot bigger, and I didn't expect it to be way bigger than that one. I'll show y'all later in the video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and set y'all up, and we're just gonna start tearing into this motor. If y'all are new to the channel, make sure to watch the engine removal of part 1 and part 2 for the old engine we have, the one right here. So make sure to check that video out so you can catch up on what's going on and what happened to this piston right here. So out with the old and with the new. Alright, so we're gonna start with these cold pack brackets. Like I said, I've already jumped into everything and looked at it before I bought it. So when I tell y'all this is a clean motor, I mean it. Probably one of the cleanest motors I've seen. For, I think it had like 190,000 miles on it. And even the heads, they look way better than the heads I have, and I'll show y'all. So this will be the first look for y'all. I think that just looks way better. Just 10 times better. I mean, just look how clean this motor is. I mean, it looks dark right now, but in the sunlight, it's just way better compared to these. These are like old, like just bad, and these just look like brand new. So let's go ahead and take that off with it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, we're on the other side, and we're gonna pop that out. So yeah. Alright, I angled this one a little bit more in the sunlight so y'all can really see what it looks like. Here's the review. I think this is probably a lot better, but this is definitely the better looking side. Just look how brand new this looks. Like, I got a deal on this. Shout out to my buddy, because I got the Gen 4 6.0, LS3 heads on it, and AC, because I didn't have it on the truck. All the AC lines, coil packs, I got all of it. Windshield wiper fluid reservoir. I mean, it came with pretty much everything. So yeah, this is literally, I mean, this is just clean. It's as clean as it gets. I mean, of course, there's a little couple stuff. I mean, when I take the intake off, you'll see the dust I have in it because I've already took it off because we had to pull the motor from that truck, as you can see. And yeah, let's go ahead. This can just already pop off, so I'm gonna prop you up so y'all could see. And for what it is, this looks really good. Telling you, this motor is clean. I'm definitely gonna clean all these parts, like these heads. I might go get them cleaned, or I don't know. Might have to make a video about that. But this is just super nice, y'all. Just look at it. Y'all can't really tell. I might be able to, but the intake runners, they're just flawless. Don't look at my dirty shop, all right? So here, this is more of the dirty side, but this side, I mean, look at that. This side's just clean. And of course there's dust right here because I've had it out, you know, just sitting. But I can't wait to take these heads off and see what it looks like. But I've been soaking these in WD-40, these head bolts, because I do not want it to strip out. So let's hope that this does not happen. Here's with the flashlight. Y'all can tell this side's dirtier. On my motor, this side was dirtier too. That side was cleaner. See how dirty this one is, and this one's a little bit cleaner. Like this is dirty, kind of clean, but the clean side of that looks like this. But yeah, so we're gonna take these other things off and get to it. All right, so we're gonna attempt to take these off, but before I start taking them off, I'm gonna heat them up. Like I said, I don't want any chances of these breaking on me, so. I'm gonna try it with this. See if I can break it loose. Go ahead and get all these out and then get right back with y'all. There it goes. Fine. Alright. Took a little bit, but we got it out. Might have to reuse this for something else, because I do plan on throwing some more power at this. I don't know. I'm gonna do NOS or boosted or some type of forced induction. So, yeah. this thing. Alright, so I went ahead and skipped a lot. So I've already took the motor mats off, and I just kind of been drenching this in WD-40 because I do want to clean it, but it won't be in this video. It'll be in the next. So now we're gonna take this oil cooler off. And the crazy part is when I was gonna rebuild this motor, I bore it out more, I was gonna buy one of these oil coolers. The thing is, this already comes with it, so it just saves me even more money. So I believe these are just 10 mil, and it should just come on. Oil's already coming out. Let's go pick that up real quick. So this motor was a runner for sure. Alright guys, so the lighting ain't the best in here, but I'm making it work right now. Try to get good quality footage for y'all. I got everything loosened. I got everything broken loose, and I'm about to hit it with the impact, take it off. So this will be the first look of the pistons from me and y'all. So this will be my first reaction. So let me set the camera up for y'all. So hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so it's the next day. I kind of did a lot of stuff off camera because I ended up running out of footage. But here's what the pistons look like. I cleaned them a little bit, but not too much. This is definitely the better side. I mean, this is the cleanest pistons. I kind of cleaned up right here. Just all I did was get a rag and wipe it down and see what came off. And on this side is a lot dirtier, but it's still clean for what it is. So right now I'm trying to take this oil pan off and then take this crank off and then get to the timing cover. So just turn this motor over. Oh shit. What the fuck was that? So it does look really clean for it being an old motor. But yeah, I definitely gotta find that bolt I dropped in here though. So that will pretty much be it for this video, because I really just wanted to show you how mint everything was. There's still see, letting this stuff sit and it gets dirty. Gotta clean up the shop. I'm gonna make a video of me cleaning the block and cleaning all these other parts out, and then putting it back together. And then yeah, that'll be it for this video. So make sure to stay tuned on what's going on, and I'll catch y'all later.